Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can export your products on WooCommerce. So let's get right into it. Now, you can export them and import them very easily. It is all doable without a plugin, and I'm going to show you how. You can use plugins if that makes your job easier. This is a pretty simple process, so I would recommend against it since it is just an extra step which you don't need. You have all your functionalities that you need already. Of course, it's not going to export all the data that you have. It's not going to export images and things like that. However, it is going to export the main data of the product in a CSV file, which you can then use to import anywhere else. Now, to do so, you need to go into products and go into all products, and from there you'll find the export button right here. You just need to click on the button, and on the next screen you'll see a bunch of options to choose what you want to export. You can select which columns should be exported, which product types should be exported, and which product category should be exported, and you can just set that up depending on your wishes, and then you can generate the CSV. Optionally, you can check export custom meta, and you can do that if you want to, but you do not need to. You can then go ahead and generate the CSV, and once you do, it'll prepare a CSV file which looks something like this, which is comma separated values. It is a database format which you can use to import into any table, into pretty much any program that has these sort of databases, and that's pretty much it. Now, you can import them in pretty much the same way. Just use the CSV file you got from wherever you got it from, click on the import button, then click on start import, choose the file. You can select the existing products that match by ID or SKU will be updated if you want, and then once you check that off, it'll be imported as well. As I mentioned, you can also use plugins. However, in my opinion, they do make the process a bit more complicated needlessly, since you already have all the features you need on WooCommerce itself. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.